Hi, everyone, and welcome to this next edition of AI Governance Chronicles. I'm Nikhil Joshi, and with over 25 years of experience in information technology, AI, governance, cybersecurity, and digital transformation, I'm thrilled to dive into today's topic. Really, it's very cool. Future trends in AI governance. Did you know that according to PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030? That's a staggering figure, highlighting the transformative power of AI across various industries and regions. But with great potential comes significant challenges, especially in governance, ethics, and data security. Today, we'll explore the future trends in AI governance, the challenges these trends present, and the remedial actions required to harness AI's potential responsibly. Let's start with a look at autonomous systems. Take the example of Starship Technologies, a company that deploys AI-powered delivery robots. These delivery robots navigate public spaces to deliver goods, providing a glimpse into the future of autonomous logistics. However, Starship Technologies face significant challenges with data privacy, as you would guess, and the ethical implications of autonomous decision-making. To address these issues, Starship Technologies implemented a robust AI governance framework that included regular AI ethical audits and the use of explainable AI tools. These measures ensured transparency in the AI's decision-making process and help build trust with the public and regulatory bodies. Another trend in AI is predictive analytics for maintenance, as we saw in the manufacturing story earlier as well, exemplified by Cognition, a company that provides AI-driven solutions for industrial applications. SparkCognition's AI predicts equipment failures before they occur, drastically reducing downtime and maintenance costs. However, they face challenges with data integration and ensure the accuracy of AI predictions across different environments. SparkCognition tackled these challenges by adopting a comprehensive data governance framework using tools like Alation. This framework really ensured that data was consistently accurate and reliable, enhancing the trustworthiness of their AI predictions. Additionally, they used AI-driven compliance tools to monitor and ensure adherence to industry standards, enabling them to innovate while maintaining compliance and protecting their data. In the realm of AI for customer service, observe the example of LivePerson, a compliance or a company that uses AI to enhance customer interactions. Their AI-powered chatbots provide personalized responses, improving customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. However, LivePerson faced several significant challenges related to algorithmic bias and maintaining customer trust. LivePerson addressed these challenges by integrating AI fairness tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360. These tools help detect and mitigate biases in their AI models, ensuring fair treatment of all customers. They also conducted regular ethical audits to ensure their AI systems aligned with customer values or company values and regulatory expectations, reinforcing trust in their brand. The ethical issues in AI governance are vast and complex. AI systems can inadvertently reinforce biases, leading to unfair treatment. However, the use of AI in predictive analytics raises concerns about data privacy and intellectual property. These ethical issues underscore the need for robust AI governance frameworks to ensure fairness, accountability, and transparency. In conclusion, the future of AI is filled with exciting possibilities that push the boundaries of innovation. But with these advancements come significant challenges that must be managed through effective AI governance. By addressing data privacy, ethical considerations, and adopting comprehensive AI governance frameworks, businesses can navigate these challenges and unlock significant value from their AI investments. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video insightful, please visit my website for more in-depth resources and consultancy services. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's keep this critical conversation going.